Imagine earning your degree anytime, anywhere with just your smartphone. Welcome to SOAR, the nation's first accredited 100% smartphone-based, self-paced business degree from Cornerstone University. For over 80 years, Cornerstone has led in academic excellence. Now, SOAR is reimagining education, making it simple, flexible, and radically affordable. No textbooks, no fixed class times, just engaging videos, all preloaded in an app that fits your schedule. Whether you're working, parenting, or both, SOAR moves with you, not against you. And it's radically affordable at just $2,400 per term. And with scholarships and grants, many pay little or nothing out of pocket. Earn your Bachelor of Science in Strategic Business Management. Develop real-world skills in leadership and strategy. Start your journey today. Apply now at soar.cornerstone.edu.